Hey guys, welcome back to.
Life with the Sequeras.
Who's coming? Who wants to come? Who wants to say intro? Eh? A very good morning. We're having breakfast now. So we have these boiled potatoes and cheese. So it's going to be a boiled potato cheese sandwich. And we haven't.
Blouse देखने जाएंगे.
गर्मी है. What time are we going?
I don't know. Let's see. काल पण आम्ही नाही जाऊ शकलो.
काल 2 दिन से हम लोग जा नहीं रहे हम लोग. So let's see. आज होएगा तो हम लोग जाएंगे. अरे the thing is there's a lot of heat as you all know. Orange alert डाला है. So we can't go anywhere. During the afternoonish part. But let's see. हम लोग कुछ plan करेंगे and then we'll go. And बहू अच्छा दिवस.
कसा जातो?
इसका क्या प्रॉब्लम है? खाना नहीं देते क्या उसको हम लोग? चाली चीज ही वांट्स चीज. अभी क्या है इसका प्रॉब्लम?
पूरा पोटैटो
स्किन खा रहा है. ए Are you ready?
Yes.
Sure. I'll make tea now for myself.
Yeah, start. Not like this. Hold here and bend from your back, and this like that. All the surface. Slowly. Do now. Do. Very good. It's not a bat ray. No, you're doing it wrong.
He's playing cricket.
Show me. Close that door.
No, funny रहता है. Learning.
Hold with one hand. Only one.
Apply. You have to use strength.
Yeah.
Nothing is going to come
Don't bend
easy.
it. त्याला असं झोपव आणि sweep.
Good. Want a break?
Come ahead also. Give. You have to now collect it and then move forward. Collect it in one place and then move.
What are we doing now, baby?
Cleaning. Take now this.
और क्या किधर रखो उसको?
We clean and keep it in the respective place.
एंड ये क्या कर रहा है इधर? ये क्यों चढ़ रहा है ऐसा?
इसका treats है ना उधर.
Yeah, Ivan gave these treats for chest too. Thank you, Ivan. ये फेंकने का है? हैंड वॉश. वो बच के रहना रे बाबा. You know now what happened with that?
Yeah. See this. People eat it. Keep it over there on top of the aquaguard.
Remove the entire fridge outside. Still removing. Chester sitting assuming that he's getting something, but you are not going to get anything, Chester.
So this bottle, darling.
This is the kachra things that you're going to discard. Fridge is cleaned. Whatever things were not required were thrown, and those that are expired, the medicines, they also have been discarded. And now baby is frying some French fries. McCain hai to sab hai. And of course, in the kitchen, if we are there, this fella has to be there. No, Chestu. I'm preparing the dip for French fries, and these are the ingredients. Mix them all, and the sauce shall be ready. And the sauce, the dip is ready. So are the fries. Hriday is doing his maths. Tomorrow he has a math exam. Correct? What are you doing? Division? Good, good. Continue. Why are you sitting here?
You just want me to sit inside the room in the evening, no?
No, you said you're going to make some Lucknowi pulao or something.
Lucknow.
Then?
Not Lucknowi.
Then?
Yakni.
What is yakini?
Some yuck rice or what?
Yakni pulao.
What is
But
it?
veg.
But then you're making or not making? Kya scenes?
I'll make after some time.
What chod? You also said you're going to make some cupcakes.
He was going to say.
So make cupcakes.
Make it now, Mama.
I'll
Yeah.
make.
Don't make that yuck thing. Make that
What is yakini?
something yuck. Oh, by the way, Hriday has changed his study position. He was down earlier. Now we've got this table outside. So he's studying here with me. बोलना है क्या करने वाली है आज? What are you planning?
मुझे ब्लाउज के लिए लेके जा.
Hello.
I will make cupcakes.
You can't do this. The cupcakes thing has been there since past. Just because you had got that OTG new, that time you did it for 1-2 weeks. उसके बाद किया ही नहीं कभी.
I don't have a good baking tray. उसमें एक टाइम में सिर्फ 6 ही बनते हैं.
हाँ तो 6 काफी है मेरे लिए.
वो तेरे लिए ना, not for us.
तो 6 के बाद 2-3 बार रखने का ना फिर से.
और कुछ.
You need to go and
You
get.
get that big baking tray ना, जिसमें एक साथ ऐसे 20 at least बने, 20 to
Look at
25.
the OTG's capacity also.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, please make cupcakes. Chestu, why are you sitting there alone? What happened? Not feeling well? Are you shitting me bullshit? Shit. Sorry. I'm going to have bath, okay? You sit. Ship. Good boy. Hriday needs some stationery for his exam, so you have come to get that. What are you buying?
पेन पेंसिल हृदय का लेड खत्म हुआ है, तो आई थॉट
0.5, 0.9.
5.
Better.
गुड. दिस कलर
Lead?
एक इसमें भी है, इसमें कम है ना.
So take. What all do you get?
One transparent pouch, pencil box,
Pencil box and
that pencil.
okay. Now where are we going?
Ride.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna sign off now. I couldn't take a sign off, so I'm taking it right now. After the ride, we just came back home, and then yeah, Chester, anything you want to say? Yeah, and then we had ice cream, and it was a good day. So असं होता आमचं पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.